Okay, so this video is about work done. Now usually when I ask my class what is work done, I get the funny response of "this is miss" or "going and doing a job." But in physics, work done is when energy is transferred, okay? So work done is equal to energy transferred. Now work can be done against a gravity or against friction, okay? It's measured in joules because it's an energy, and remember from before, it has to be a capital J, otherwise you will lose marks. Now to calculate work done, it is work done in joules equals the force in newtons times the distance in meters. Now it's really important that you realise the distance moved in the direction of the force. Now what I mean by that is, if this person here was to climb to point A, they'd do exactly the same amount of work as if they were to climb to B, because although that distance is greater, they haven't done any extra work against gravity. So a question might say, if a school bag with a weight of 50 newtons is lifted 1.5 metres onto a table, what is the work done? So as always, you've got to write your formula out and substitute in the numbers. You can get 1 mark for this in exams. So the force is 50, the distance is 1.5, so do 50 times 1.5 and it's 75 joules. Probably only a 2 mark question at most. You might be scraping 3 marks if they didn't tell you joules, okay? But if it said, calculate the work done to pull a sledge 80 metres against a frictional force of 60 newtons, you would do 60 times 80 equals 4,800 joules. Now, it can be applied in different situations. So, it might come up with relation to power. And now this confuses people, but power is actually work done in a given time. So, effectively, power equals the work done divided by the time. However, you're never given this, okay? What you're actually given is power equals energy transferred divided by time, okay? So you've got to remember the bit from before that work done is equal to energy transferred. So for example, the first part of the question might say, a man pushes a 100 Newton wheelbarrow 4 metres. What work did he do? So he did 100 times 4, so he did 400 joules of energy, okay, or work done. The next part of the question might then say, it takes the man 5 seconds to move the wheelbarrow. What is his power? Okay, and you're thinking, okay, I need to know 3 things here. They've only given me 1 number and they've given me power. Where's my energy transferred? Well, you've already worked it out, okay? So it would be the power equals the energy transferred, 400, divided by the time taken, 5 seconds, equals 80 watts. So don't get confused. Always look at what you've done before because it can lead on a lot of the time.